Afternoon guys, Crypto Freedom, and I'm back with another ICO. This is IOT Chain, which is basically a high security light Internet of Things operating system. This is their light paper, which I thought would be the easiest place to start. What is ITC? Internet on ITC, which is Internet of Things Chain. On-chain token is a light IoT operating system based on blockchain, which was designed to solve current serious security problems of Internet of Things. Now, if you don't know what Internet of Things is, it's basically in everything. Your smart fridge to even cars have a, it tells you your door's open, tells you your lights broke, your tire's flat. The technology is becoming more expansive, and as such, the integration with the internet and the ability to personalize and control things as you get near it, and lights automatically switching on, your toaster automatically working. This is all Internet of Things, and it's an expanding enterprise. So one of the big problems they do have is security, and this is one of the issues this is looking to resolve. So what can ITC do? ITC, an Internet of Things device operating system integrating DAG. DAG is a bit like, that'll be like its blockchain, should we call it that? And Hyperledger Technologies provides basic safety edge computing system and highly secure, low-cost solutions for the Internet of Things world. Meanwhile, as a token of ITC system, ITC will be used for the settlement of smart devices, use rights and ownership transfers and other value transfers in the entire ecosystem. So we've got payment, sharing economy, secure access, digital transactions. What are the advantages of ITC? ITC can run on a Raspberry Pi, which tells you it doesn't need too much processing power. Low performance Internet of Things devices provide the IoT with a blockchain-based underlying environment and integrate with a variety of mainstream technologies. So it's a secure platform for Internet of Things. That's the simplified version. Now the website goes through the security, how efficient it is, the shareability of it. Now, if you understand Internet of Things, this is the architecture behind it. You'll understand how all this integrates. It's the next generation of things. At the moment, we're actually seeing you're being able to switch your lights on and off and all this sort of stuff. But there's still a lot more to go. And one of the issues you do have on this is security, which is one of the things they're looking to cover. Now, the good thing about this is they do have a lot of people behind it to support it. Now we'll talk about the technical stuff like DAG. I'll just switch these guys off for a minute. DAG's twisted structure can naturally suit Internet of Things message passing mode and can bring extremely high performance for ITC and satisfy blockchains, decentralizations, and safety at the same time. SPV, ITC nodes use SPV technology to solve the data expansion problems of major networking DAG improvement payment verification efficiency. PBFT, consensus protocols. By adapting PBFT, ITC has greatly improved the main chain's processing performance on the premise of achieving consensus of main chain blockchain decentralization. CPS, the architecture of ITC refers to CPS cluster and build CPS technical structure, blah, blah, blah. I can see there's a lot of technical words thrown around in this. Now, what we're looking at here, the wallet is coming out at the end of this month, which is this will be something that will drive the price up a little bit. Main chain test accomplishes 2018. So that's April. Then in May, ITC main chain wallet test accomplished. DAG structure begins on the 9th. And by December, DAG structure gets online. So by the end of, you're looking at February next year, it's pretty much up and running. There's a good team behind this. They've got a lot of support. There's some major companies behind this as well, which are very interested in utilizing it for their technology as well. I would recommend having a look at it. The other side of this, which is another reason I'm bringing this up today, is they had a bit of a dip on their pricing. So we'll look at this over the last month. Oh, hang on, last 3 months. Now, as you can see, they've had a peak there, and it's sort of tailored off, and it's gone down. I can see there being another rise in price when the wallet comes out. Like I said, that's on the 30th of this month, so that's another thing to look out for. But I'll put the white paper up there. I'll put the website. You guys have a look at it yourself, but it's certainly one of those ones that has got a growing marketplace, because as more companies want more security on their Internet of Things, let's be honest, if you're a manufacturer, say you were a Samsung or somebody else that manufactured fridges, and then you find out they've been hacked or manipulated, it doesn't do your sales any good. So having something like this to actually secure your devices is something they will buy into, and this is another reason that IoT chain is going to see some significant growth over a period of time as more of the larger companies buy into it as well, because they're going to be wanting the technology. Thanks for watching.